Is your PC still booting from an old-school SATA SSD, or heaven forbid, a mechanical hard drive? Today, we are fixing that. We're upgrading to a blazing fast M.2 NVMe drive that can load your games and boot your system up to 12 times faster. Let's jump in. Don't worry if you've never opened a computer before. In this video, we will walk you through the prep work, the physical installation, and the exact software steps to get your new drive ready without losing a single file. Let's jump in. Before we open the PC, let's talk tools and compatibility. First, make sure you bought an NVMe M.2 SS drive, not an M.2 SATA drive, as NVMe gives you those top-tier PCIe speeds. Most modern motherboards support the standard 2280 size. For tools, you only need a small Phillips head screwdriver and the tiny M.2 screw. Work on a hard surface to avoid static. Back up your files first, to an external drive or cloud storage first, just to be completely safe. First, shut down your computer completely, switch off the power supply, and unplug the main cable. Press the power button on your case for 5 seconds to drain any remaining electricity. Open your case panel and find the M.2 slot on your motherboard. If it is hidden under a built-in motherboard cooler or shield, unscrew it now. Take your new M.2 drive and hold it by the edges. Try not to touch the gold contacts. Line up the notch on the drive with the tab in the slot. If your motherboard had a heatsink shield, peel off the protective plastic film from the sticky thermal pad, place it over the drive, and screw it back on. Push it firmly into the connector at a 30-degree angle. It will click and spring upward diagonally. Gently press the tail end of the drive down. Do not over-tighten it. Now that the hardware is in, let's configure it in Windows. Turn on your PC. When you look under this PC, you won't see your new drive yet because it needs to be initialized. Right-click your Windows Start button and select Disk Management. A pop-up will immediately appear asking you to initialize the new disk. And click OK. Find your new drive in the bottom list. It will have a black bar labeled Unallocated Space. Right-click that unallocated block and choose New Simple Volume. Click Next, leave the disk size at maximum to use all available space, assign any drive letter you want, ensure the file system is set to NTFS, give it a name like Fast Storage, and hit Finish. And that is all it takes to upgrade to an M.2 NVMe drive. Let me know in the comments what drive you're installing today. See you next time.